Got these amazing things in the mail today. Some of them I purchased, some of them were gifted. This I purchased myself and I'm so excited about. When I saw this, I swear to you, I was shook because a few days ago my mom was like, you need to get an elephant. Elephants are good luck. And I was like, okay, Mom, like, where am I gonna get an elephant? And then I saw this and I was like, is it crazy that I want this right now? But I decided it wasn't, so I had to order it, and it is just absolutely stunning. I love the color too, so I plan on having this on my desk. It is pouring outside, so if you can hear that, that is rain in LA. It's so beautiful. I love it. This I got in the mail from the Chanel Beauty team, and I'm so excited about it. I actually got two things from them. One was last week, so I'll show you that too. But this is a Chanel perfume in this really pretty makeup bag. Can't wait to smell it. So let's open her up. Love Chanel perfume packaging. It's so beautiful. It smells really sweet and like fresh at the same time, so I feel like it'd be a good spring summer scent. This I got last week and I already used some of the products, but it is so pretty. First of all, this bag is so cute. This is a blush palette, and I think for spring summer, again, it's so beautiful. This is the mascara that I already tried. It's so cool. It's like a burgundy brown color. I'll show it in a tutorial. It's so pretty. Then there's this stick sort of blush that I wore as an eyeshadow, light color eyeliner, which would be really nice for the waterline if you have smaller eyes. This I bought myself, and it's a Cotton Citizen shirt. I've been wanting a really good quality white t-shirt, and when I saw this, I was like, yes, gotta try it. It's really thick, and I love the collar, especially if I want to layer it with sweaters and stuff. So I really, really like this. The sleeves are really big as well. I'm going to a Longchamp, is that how you say the name? An event this week, and they actually were generous enough to send me this beautiful dress that I can wear to the event, and it's see-through, but it also comes with a slip, so you can wear the slip under it. I'm so excited to wear it. They also sent this bag, which I can style with it. This was sent to me, and I feel like this brand is having such a moment right now with their bags. It comes with a dust bag. This is the bag. It's a crossbody, and you can adjust the straps, so I feel like you can wear it high or low. I feel like this bag looks like a bag that could be from the row. It's so classic and timeless. So I really like it, and their price point is really good as well. That is all for this unboxing, and if you like videos like this, let me know.